Thank you for taking time out of your busy day to sit with one of our solar professionals. Our goal for 2018 with RB Green Energy is to remove 21,171,287 pounds of coal burnt, plant 501,468 trees, and eliminate 2,177,297 gallons of gasoline consumed. You're probably wondering how all of this works. Well, this is a great time to do a 7-point energy assessment, where we will look at your attic, water heater, air conditioning, ventilation, pool, insulation, and your energy dashboard. After this evaluation, RB Green Energy will determine 3 important factors. Is your home eligible to participate in our 2018 mission? How much will this project cost with no out-of-pocket expenses? And how much of your hard-earned cash can we put back into your pocket? Did you know that we utilize the same radiant protective technology that NASA astronauts use while facing hard conditions during their space travels? Our radiant barrier reflects 97% of radiant heat and can reduce your energy costs by 20%. The average residential solar system offsets about 100,000 pounds of carbon dioxide in 20 years, the equivalency of driving a car for 100,000 miles. And a study conducted by National Renewable Energy Laboratory concluded that homes with solar panels sell 20% faster and for 17% more money. Customer service is our #1 priority. Our business is built on the foundation of providing 100% customer satisfaction 100% of the time. Our partner and general contractor has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and a 4.8 rating with Google reviews. We encourage you to visit and tour our office located in the Dakota Design Center in Dania Beach. Now that you have reviewed the benefits of solar, we hope you join us in the Going Green movement. Thank you for watching. Now let's begin your energy assessment.